Patrick, did you or did you not open my bag of carbon monoxide in the Krusty Krab?
Thank you. How weak was it? Hey, can I take that Uneral?
Okay, but you better not be one of those guys who looks normal from the side but is proportionally larger from other angles.
Thanks, man.
Where do you all keep coming from? We have too much obsidian. Send that shit to Bikini Bottom now!
See, SpongeBob, this is what I avoid from Biden.
Here we are in the native habitat of the sponge. They are completely docile unless they hear that there are trinkets about.
Everyone kills her will not, team not yet.